So we'll see the properties of rational numbers now. So there are three important properties are there. First of properties, if p by q is a rational number and m is a non-zero integer, then p by q is equals to p into m by q into m. Okay, I'll write here. If p by q is a rational number, if p by q is a rational number and m is a non-zero, for example m is any number and it is non-zero integer, m is non-zero integer, then the first property we can write that p by q is equals to p into m by and q into m. So now these both are equal. P by q is equals to p into m by q into m. Okay, for example, if you take now minus 2 by 3, this is the rational number, so it is a negative rational number. Okay, take some other number 4. Now this is equals to minus 2 by 3 minus 2 into 4 by 3 into 4. Now this is exactly equal. Any number you can multiply, or this is equals to minus 2 by 3 into 6 by into 6. So final result is same. Minus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 2 into 4 by 3 into 4. Otherwise minus 2 into 6 by 3 into 6. It's equal. For example, you can simplify. Now minus 2 by 3. This is minus 2 into 4 minus 8 by 12. Okay, that is also equals to minus 12 by 18. Now these three rational numbers are equal. So observe here. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. So minus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 8 by 12 and this is equals to minus 12 by 18. So such rational numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. So these are all the equivalent rational numbers. Now let us see the property 2. So second property in rational numbers. Similarly, first property we did multiplication, right? Numerator and denominator. Now this is just division. If p by q is a rational number, if p by q is rational number and m is a common divisor, for example m is common divisor of p and q, therefore we can write p by q is equals to p divided by m by q divided by m. So if it is a common divisor, means you can divisible if it is divisible in the p and q with m. So I'll give you an examples, understand clearly. Okay, let us take 24 by 48 because it's both are even numbers, we can do division. Now this is number, this is equals to the same number, we should do division both, right? 24 by 48. Now both are, if we take 2 is a divisor of both 24 and 48. So not only 2, we can do division with 3 also. 24 divided by 3 by 48 divided by 3. We take some more example. 24 divided by 12 by same 48 divided by 12. Now these are all equal. Let us simplify. 24 by 48. 24 by 2 is 12. 48 by 2 is 24. Now 24 by 3. 8. 48 by 3 is 16. Now this is 2, 4. Yeah. So these are all the equivalent fractions, right? 24 by 48, 12 by 24, 8 by 16 and 2 by 4. These are all the equivalent fractions. One more property. Let's see the last property in this. So third property, let a by b and c by d are two rational numbers. I'm taking 2 now. Let a by b and some one more rational number is c by d. Then if a by b is equal to c by d, if two rational numbers are equal, then a into d, this is nothing but cross multiplication, a into d is equals to b into c. Now this is equal. Now if you take this is a b, so this is also another property in rational numbers. If a by b is equal to c by d, that implies a into d is equal to b into c. So just a cross multiplication we did, a into d, that is again equal c into b. So using these three properties we can write equivalent fractions. So in exercise they will give some fractions, we need to write equivalent fractions. So let us see a few examples. So to write equivalent fractions, we'll use the first and second properties. Example, for example, write 4 rational numbers equivalent to 2 by 5. They gave 2 by 5. Write, okay, write 3 equivalent fractions. So equivalent rational numbers. So 3 equivalent rational numbers you need to write for 2 by 5. Now take 2 by 5, because according to the first property we can multiply any number numerator and denominator. 2 by 5 into 3 into 3. Same number should multiply for numerator as well as denominator. Or same 2 by 5 into 2 into 2. I took 2 now. They are asking 3 equivalent. Okay, 3 we can take. Now 2 by 5. So into 4 and into 4. Same number we need to multiply for numerator and denominator. Now this if you simplify you will get the answer. That means 2 by 5. That is equals to, just simplify, 2 4s are 6 by 15, 2 2s are again 4 by 10. These are all equivalent fractions. 8 by 20. So 3 equivalent rational numbers for 2 by 5 are 6 by 15 comma 4 by 10 comma 8 by 20. So these are all the equivalent rational numbers. Now let us see the standard form of the rational number. Tell you know here. there are some standard form of rational numbers. So actually, how we need to write the rational number on which form? That means nothing but to actually simplify the rational number. For example, if you take 48 by minus 20, now this is the rational number. Now what is the standard form? Now standard form of this rational number. So first of all, a rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if p and q are integers having no common divisors other than 1. So we should not take any other divisors except 1. 48 and 20 we can divide with 2 table. So no common divisors. Now 48 by minus 20. First minus 1 by minus 1. You multiply. Then it will be minus 48 by plus 20. Again minus 48 by 20. So we can do divide 4 and 4 both. Then this becomes minus 12 by 5 because 20 by 4 is 5. Right now for 12 and 5 there's no any common factors or common divisors. Therefore minus 12 by 5 is the standard form. Because we should not simplify further. If you could not simplify further, then that is the standard form. Now let us go to one more topic. Comparison of rational numbers. How we need to compare the rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers.